Hello everyone, my name is Carlos, and in this video I will be going over the different chemistry concepts my team member Michael used as he cooks an egg. As you can see, some of the ingredients Michael will be using are turkey, eggs, onions, milk, and salt. These items will be mixed together and prepared in a bowl before the cooking process begins. Before I show you the ingredients being cooked, I want to go a little bit more in depth on what actually happens as the ingredients are being heated up. Conduction is the transfer of heat energy throughout a material or through contact between different materials. As you can see in this model, as a metal pot makes contact with the hot stove, the heat from the stove is being transferred onto the metal pot, heating up the items inside. Next, there is radiation. Radiation is energy that comes from a source and travels through space at the speed of light. This energy has an electric field and a magnetic field associated with it and has wave-like properties. As we return to Michael cooking the egg, we can see that conduction is currently taking place while the cooking pan begins to heat up after being placed on the stove. Even though it is invisible, radiation is also currently taking place as the stove emits energy waves called infrared waves, directly from its source, which is the flame inside the stove. By changing the bonds that give a protein its form, temperature can alter the protein structure and produce a new one. Therefore, the molecules will begin to compress as a result. When it comes to eggs, the proteins clump up together and solidify, causing the egg white and yolk to harden. This is also known as denaturation. I just wanted to go over one last concept known as the Maillard reaction. This is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that give brown food its distinctive flavor. Back to the video, as Michael places the bread in the oven, he causes the amino acids and sugars to interact, producing the characteristic brown color, texture, and flavor we know as toast. Thank you for watching.